There is a healing place on the other side of the world, where every mile you walk brings you closer to yourself. And with each step you take, your heart, well, it beats a little faster. Where your soul comes alive in the red sands of Wadi Rum, and the vast desert skies envelop you in warmth. And you can finally think. Where the sands of time all but disappear. Where you explore. And restore. Connect. Adventure. Did I mention adventure? Where you come alive. Julie, dit allô? 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 It's my neighbor, Julie. There are these giant beetles.
Giant beetle.
They're giant!
Oh no.
They're this big!
Oh
no! Oui!
no. I must tell the truth. You're not. It's not possible.
They open zippers. And they have teeth. This is...
There is a small one. Small one. Oh no.
You have one in your tent?
No, but I have not my battery. I must go there.
You have to go out with the beetles again?
Oh no.
Julie.